Hey, we've got a second gen Toyota Tacoma here. We've fitted the Morimoto XP hybrid LED headlights. The hybrid means they're going to be using a stock turn signal, but they do come with a LED strip for parking lights and daytime running lights. That is the daytime running light strip, and inside the shop it's extremely bright. You're going to be able to see this perfectly during the day. A lot of aftermarket headlights just don't give you that sort of brightness when it comes to the DRL strips. So they don't do any blinking for the turn signal because you got the factory turn signals. We are going to turn on the low beams. So the LED strip dims, and that's for nighttime use, so you're not blinding the hell out of everybody. You got the side marker on the side, that's an amber side marker. These come in white or amber for the daytime running light strip. High beam projector is separate, that'll come on, and we'll show you the performance of the system. You can see nice defined cutoff line. And let's activate the high beams. So low and high beam, two separate projectors. If you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. Check out the website. We've got these available, as well as the Morimoto headlight assemblies for all of the popular vehicles, for the Toyota trucks and American trucks as well. Thanks again and have a great day.